Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for straightforward and in-depth reviews on the most functional home essentials. Today, we're excited to introduce what we consider the best towel racks for bathroom freestanding, the Hoobro 39.4 Tall Freestanding Towel Rack, a game-changer in bathroom organization and drying efficiency. Right out of the box, the Hoobro towel rack makes a strong impression with its clean lines and a stylish rustic brown and black finish. It blends seamlessly into both modern and industrial-themed spaces, thanks to its smart combination of engineered wood and metal. But it's not just about looks, the design here is all about performance and versatility. Let's talk dimensions. This towel rack stands tall at 39.4 inches, with a footprint of 26.8 inches in length and 11.8 inches in width. This gives you a generous amount of vertical space without taking up too much floor area, making it ideal for small bathrooms, dorm rooms, or even for use in a bedroom or laundry room. The standout feature here is its three-tier step design. Each horizontal bar is positioned at different heights: 31.5, 35.4, and 39.4 inches from the ground. This isn't just a design choice, it's a smart solution to promote better air circulation. By spacing the bars 4.7 inches apart, Hoobro ensures towels dry faster, avoiding that musty smell and moisture buildup we all want to avoid. Below the towel bars, there's a built-in open shelf made from a sturdy 15mm thick panel. It's perfect for storing dry towels, baskets, bath products, or even folded clothes. Whether you're optimizing a compact bathroom or just need more storage without drilling into your walls, this bottom shelf adds both function and convenience. In terms of construction, the rack uses durable 20mm metal tubes that offer strong support without being bulky. It's stable, reliable, and designed to last. The 4 adjustable non-slip feet ensure that the rack stays firmly in place even on uneven bathroom floors, and they protect your tiles or wood floors from scratches. Now, if you're someone who dreads furniture assembly, don't worry. Hoobro has made it easy. Each part is clearly labeled, and the package includes easy-to-follow illustrations along with the necessary tools. Most users can get it fully assembled and ready for use in under 20 minutes. Whether you're drying oversized bath towels, smaller hand towels, or even displaying your favorite throw blankets in the living room, this rack handles it all with style and strength. It's not fixed to the wall, so you can move it around wherever needed, and its freestanding nature makes it renter-friendly. So to wrap it up, the Hoobro 39.4 Tall Freestanding Towel Rack is more than just a towel holder. It's an efficient, stylish, and multifunctional piece that brings order to your space while enhancing ventilation for quicker towel drying. With solid construction, a sleek design, and smart storage built in, this rack is a standout solution for anyone looking to declutter and upgrade their bathroom setup. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our next review. Until then, stay organized, stay stylish, and we'll see you in the next one.